Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to share a Trello board in just a few simple steps, a complete guide for 2025. Whether you're collaborating with a team or sharing ideas with friends, this tutorial will make it super easy. First, open your favorite web browser and head to Trello's official website. If you're not logged in yet, click the login button in the top right corner. Trello lets you log in through Google, Microsoft, Slack, or email. So pick the option that works best for you and authenticate your account. Once logged in, you'll see your Trello dashboard. Next, find the board you want to share. If you have multiple boards, use the search function to locate it quickly. Open the board, and in the upper right corner, you'll see the Share button. This button is your gateway to collaboration. Click it, and we're ready to add members. You can invite people by typing in their Trello username or email address. If you're already connected on Trello, you can even search by name. Double check the details to avoid any errors. Once your invitees are added, it's important to set their permissions. Trello lets you choose between giving someone full editing rights as a member or restricting them to view only as an observer. If you're working with a large team, there's a handy trick to add multiple users at once. Simply paste their usernames or email addresses separated by semicolons into the invite field. This saves time and keeps everyone organized. Remember, sharing a Trello board isn't just about adding people, it's about boosting teamwork and staying organized. A well-structured board can make your projects far more productive, so invite the right collaborators and set clear permissions. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to share your Trello board and collaborate seamlessly. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy collaborating.